Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc0000005 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what we have to do. First of all, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This should actually work and fix the files by replacing the corrupt and missing files on the system. The next one is to disable data execution prevention. And how would we do that? So we have a command here. All we need to do is copy this command from the description section of the video, search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, and if that doesn't help, then run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar. Go to Windows Memory Diagnostic, click on Restart Now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.